are here at Xylexpo 2026 with...
My name is Luciano Deidda. I'm Global Head of Marketing of Freud Tools.
Okay, so what are your expectations for Xylexpo 2026?
As usual, when we participate in this kind of event, we expect to meet our global partner and to make new contacts to basically take every possible opportunities to grow our business.
Okay, and what are the main innovation or solution that you are showcasing here?
Yeah. In this Xylexpo, we are presenting for the first time some new circular saw blades for aluminum cutting. So taking the opportunities from the fact that this Xylexpo has become also part of a bigger event with Composite saw, and so we wanted to showcase also something for other materials than wood.
Okay, perfect. And how do you view the current outlook for the Italian and broader European woodworking market?
We are facing strange times. Fluctuations are always present. Nevertheless, we are looking at the future with a certain optimism. Also, because the current year we were able also to make anyway new contacts, to have new opportunities in the business, and we see that the market is still rising despite the fact that we know all the world challenges that we are living.
Of course. So what are your company's strategic priorities for 2026?
In 2026, we are still looking at expanding our network of distributors, because even though we have been a global company for more than 60 years, we are still in a phase of growth in certain markets where our presence is not as big as we would like to.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much for your time. Good luck for everything.
Thank you.